My name is Bunmi, or you can call me Mira. I am from Laos. Laos is a beautiful country in Southeast Asia. My profession is awakening coach. I attend this course for 3 days. The first is initiation course for healing. Next 2 days I study planetary-therapeutic-singing-bowl. About the singing bowl, of course, there are many types of singing bowl, like for commercial and for healing and for musician. So from this course, I can recognize, I can distinguish between the singing bowl for healing and for the normal one. Of course, I can find very big difference. I would like to become a sound healer. The book itself for the course is very useful and very comprehensive one. I am very satisfied with this sound healing equipment here. I think according to the price and the value what you learn, I think even though it's expensive, but valuable. Yes, expensive but valuable. If compared to when you hear the price, 3 days, something like this, you feel like maybe expensive. But when you learn the technique, the method, the equipment that you learn, and the materials that provided, I think it's not expensive. Yes. I'm very satisfied during these 3 days course. Yes, I think I give 10 out of 10. I also give 10 out of 10. Yes, very he knows. I mean, the master, he knows very deep about what he is transferring, giving the knowledge or teaching. Very deep knowledge. I think I like everything in this course, especially the equipment, the provide equipment. For example, the singing bowl, they have different from other type of singing bowl that you can find in other markets. So it's marked where to hit, and it's give the specific sound that in which area of our body synchronize with sound that synchronize with our body. Specific, it's explained very detailed, because you cannot use just the singing bowl itself to everywhere in your body. But in this course, teach you how to select the bowl and use in specific way to heal and to heal that synchronize to your body. The master, in this course, the master teach you how to choose the singing bowl to heal our body in specific program. Especially because I have a chance to take a private lesson from Master Govinda-Tiwari from Nepal. Thank you very much, Master, for your teaching, for your hospitality, and for your kind heart. Thank you. Namaste.